Hey everybody, it's been a while. Welcome back to Adventure in a Vineyard. I'm here with Cerys.
Hey guys, so we are walking over to Gratitude Block, which is also
our babies.
Oh yeah, these are our little tiny babies. There we go. Yup, little babies. They're looking at you.
They'll be coming out of their tractor soon and wandering around.
I mean, look how big they are. There
Woo.
you go.
Come
There
on,
you
ladies.
go. You go, little babies. How old will they be this year?
They are 4 years old. They just turned 4.
Nice. And off to the adventure. If you guys can't hear me so well, it's because that situation.
Let's go look at some fruit.
Yeah, let's go look at some fruit.
Look at this fruit right here.
Ooh, yeah, nice and pretty.
So, close up of the beautiful Chardonnay right there. Stunning.
Yeah, you guys, look how gorgeous that. It's like packed in the knitting.
Fruit because of how low it is this year. We are losing to little bunnies, unfortunately, but that will not be the case once we have full
How
trunk.
did the bunny get that high?
Nice, look at that.
Look at that.
We will be harvesting.
It's nice.
Get some C-clips over here.
Ooh, look
Protect
how
this.
pretty those grapes are. A little look underneath. There we go. Oh, wow. There's a lot of grapes
So
on this
pretty.
one. Look how many. Look how many beautiful grapes ready to harvest and make wine. Alright, you guys. We are walking down the dirt road.
Chilling on a dirt road. I gotta look. I gotta look.
You see that?
I gotta look. I gotta look.
Oh, geez, you guys, you're gonna be terrified when I show you this. Don't be frightened. Done.
Those are our shelt tubes. Yeah, we gotta keep them nearby.
Look how creepy that looks.
Not to mention, we don't have a barn, so not a whole lot of storage options.
Yeah. Hopefully, we're gonna get a barn. Whoa, geez, these things are tall. Not fat, but tall.
Yeah, show them off. Those are beautiful. See if I can show you an example of some grapes. Like I said, I've been clipping them off when I do find them, so there's a good chance we won't find them. But in the meantime,
Wait.
I can't believe the summer is
Wait,
flying
aren't
by.
we letting our baby chickens out August 1st?
Yeah, I think so. I think they'll be mature enough to know to come back.
Bow, bow, bow. Yeah, there's a pile of absolute terror.
That's mushroom compost.
Yes, and it grew a bunch of bramble. If you guys don't know what bramble is, it's a creepy plant that grows out in the wild, in the countryside, or in the mountainside, and it just pokes you if you touch it.
Horrible.
It's horrifying.
It's spiky, isn't
It's
it?
spiking. And I think it's even more spiky than roses. Would you say it's more spiky than roses?
Yeah, there's a lot more spikes on it. I would agree with that. Some fruit. Come see. Little bitty.
But you gotta pick it off.
It's gotta go bye-bye. Sorry.
By the way, guys, I'm not actually dying. It's just sad seeing those baby grapes go. But it's for the process.
This is one of my favorite views. Show it, Cerys. That's horse range. So pretty. I love it. I love this perspective.
Okay, you guys, thanks for watching the channel again. Remember to subscribe and like the video. And don't forget to click the notification bells.
We'll have more updates coming soon.
Yay! See you guys in the next one. Bye!